My research mostly focuses on developing new advanced thermochemical technologies that could convert waste, biomass, or plastics into high valuable products with little or zero emissions. Historically, waste has been thermally treated through incineration, which means that the trash is just being burned to recover energy in the form of heat or electricity. This has some major drawbacks in that incineration has a quite limited efficiency. It generates a huge amount of toxic ashes and harmful chemicals such as dioxins. Our research focuses on these newer and more efficient technologies such as high temperature pyrolysis or gasification, which do not burn the waste, but instead they decompose it into more basic blocks, out of which we can strip out the contaminants such as sulfur, chlorine, heavy metals, and then reassemble these blocks to generate high valuable products such as advanced fuels, especially for those sectors which are difficult to be decarbonized, like aviation.
ABSL is really excited about the applications of the work. We're currently developing a large-scale plant in the northwest of England, and that will convert about 120,000 tonnes of waste into 315 gigawatt hours of natural gas, which is enough to heat around 25,000 homes, while capturing 96,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide, which will be put into long-term geological sequestration and help reverse climate change.
I think that society is increasingly becoming conscious that climate change is real, because we can clearly see the facts every day around us. Each of us generates more or less an average of half a ton of waste per year, which equates approximately to 3 tons of CO2 equivalent being emitted to the atmosphere. Now, if you scale up these figures globally, you can clearly see what huge impact waste has on greenhouse gas concentration and therefore on climate change. We can obviously reduce the waste that we produce in the first place. That would be the best option. We can push recycling as much as possible, but we will always have a fraction of waste that cannot be recycled. And on that fraction, we need to act as soon as possible. These advanced technologies are not only very useful because they divert waste from landfill, but they are effective ways to remove greenhouse gas from the atmosphere, and therefore they are our best ally to reverse climate change.